In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks file location in Desktop Edition. If you need to locate the exact folder where your current QuickBooks Company file is stored, this is a very quick process, and you can do it directly from inside QuickBooks Desktop. This is especially helpful if you need to back up your file, move it to another location, or simply confirm where it's saved on your computer. Start by going into QuickBooks Desktop and making sure the company file you want to locate is already open. Once you're in, go to your keyboard and press the F2 key. On some keyboards, especially laptops, you may need to also use the function key to make F2 work properly, so keep that in mind if nothing happens the first time. After you press F2, QuickBooks will open the product information window. This window contains several details about your QuickBooks setup and the file you currently have open. What you want to focus on here is the file path for the current company file. This path shows the exact location of the file on your computer, including the drive and folder where it is stored. Take a moment to find that path and copy it. Be careful to copy the full location exactly as shown, since even a small mistake can take you to the wrong folder. Once you've copied it, open File Explorer on your computer, then click into the address bar at the top of the File Explorer window, paste the file path there, and press Enter. This will take you directly to the folder where your current QuickBooks Desktop Company file is located. From there, you can view the file, confirm its location, or use it for whatever task you need, like creating a backup or sharing the folder path with your IT team if needed, and that's really all there is to it. Press F2, open the product information window, copy the file path, and paste it into File Explorer to go straight to the location. It's a simple method, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to quickly find your QuickBooks Company file. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.